Oxnard water, clean, safe, reliable. It's so essential to life, we barely give it a second thought. We just turn on the faucet and there it is. Do you ever wonder where all that water comes from?
Some of our imported surface water comes from snowmelt in Northern California's Sierra Nevada mountains. It travels over 500 miles through the State Water Project's massive system of engineered reservoirs, pipes, pumps, and other infrastructure. This precious water supply is shared by millions of people in California. The amount we get is limited and also very expensive. Our other sources of water come from local groundwater supplies pumped out of the naturally occurring aquifers in Oxnard and surrounding areas. This groundwater is locally managed, so it's easier to access and less costly than imported water. The imported water source is blended with local groundwater supplies to ensure a safe and reliable water supply.
Our highly trained and certified staff are responsible for pumping groundwater, regulating flows, and treating and blending water supplies. Here in Oxnard, some of the groundwater we pump out of the local aquifer is very high in minerals and salts. After the groundwater is pumped out of the wells, it's pre-treated and sent to the groundwater desalter. The desalter uses reverse osmosis to produce ultra-pure water, which is then blended with other city water sources. After additional treatment and disinfection, the blended water goes through extensive sampling and testing.
Our team ensures that Oxnard's water quality meets or exceeds all federal, state, and local drinking water regulations. We conduct more than 3,700 water sample tests each year for about 300 different constituents and are required to report this information to the State Water Board's Division of Drinking Water.
Our team is responsible for delivering high-quality drinking water from our treatment facilities to you through an extensive distribution system. We provide 24/7 emergency response for customer emergency shutoffs, leaks, water main breaks, and other emergencies. We also install, maintain, and replace water mains, valves, pumps, and other essential equipment. Maintenance is really important because it helps keep our equipment and infrastructure working well and for longer.
As a city that is nearly 120 years old and home to more than 200,000 people, Oxnard must continue to replace aged-out infrastructure in order to maintain safe, uninterrupted water delivery service. Through the city's 5-year capital improvement program, also known as the CIP, Oxnard has identified more than $141 million worth of water infrastructure improvement projects, which are needed to continue delivering high-quality water to our community. Some CIP projects include recently completing a $4.1 million project that replaced corroded cast iron pipes in La Colonia with new PVC piping. Investing $13.3 million to replace water distribution mains at various locations across the Hobson and Kamala neighborhoods, areas where the water pipes are more than 60 years old. Investing nearly $30 million to replace all Oxnard water customers' meters throughout the city. These meters have exceeded their working lifespan, and the city will be replacing each one over the next 3 years. The new advanced water meter system will allow customers to monitor their water usage in real time and will provide leak detection notifications to help prevent higher bills. The CIP provides a roadmap for how the city will build water resiliency during the drought in order to help maintain a safe and secure water supply. Securing a reliable water supply requires both short and long-term project planning for drought resiliency. It also requires a financially secure operating budget in order to meet these challenges.